If you are looking for an easy to use, easy to grab kitchen timer and you want it to be in magnetic so you can stick it on your refrigerator and not have to worry about it, then this is the product for you. This is the Magnetic Kitchen Timer. This thing works amazingly well. And just to show you it's magnetic here, here's the ruler's sticking to it. But if I hold it upside down like that, it's sticking right there, no problem. When you actually go to use this thing, you set it on your surface and you can spin it. And as you can see, the time is going up and down as I do that. Or you can click these top buttons here and it'll bring you to a time. And then you can adjust it just like that. So this thing works super well, and once you get the time locked in, you click the button, boom, it starts going down. If you want to reset it here, get it back to 0, you do that, and then if you just leave it for a little while, it will end up turning itself off. There it goes, it just turned itself off. So you walk up to it, you start spinning it, you can get the time that you want, you can go in reverse, backwards. The harder you twist, the quicker it's going to go there. Yeah, if you're in the market for one of these, I'm going to be using these actually for something unrelated to the kitchen, but this is going to work super well for me for what I need. I need to be able to punch in like 5 minutes randomly all the time and not have to worry about always resetting it. 5 minutes, go. Okay, well, now I'm going to stop this. I need to go to 15, go. Perfect. This thing works amazingly well. Came with the batteries, and I highly recommend it.